Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
असं नाही, डिपेंड नाही म्हणून सांगितलं ना की या महिन्याच्या 15 तारीखपर्यंत किंवा आसपास असा नाहीतर आमच्यावर आरोप नाही होणार ना की आम्ही वेगळं केलं, काही आमच्या विचार आमच्या वेगळा आहे. वी आर नॉट हिअर टू डिस्टर्ब एनी good alliance which can come up. But at the same time, as I said, you clap with both hands. They have to act equally responsibly. If they come with a reasonable formula quickly, it will be good for them. It will be good for everybody in Goa. You can ask any question you want. सांगितलं ना प्लॅन बी तर आहेच ना, मी तुम्हाला बोललोच ना. प्लॅन बी कसा नाही राहणार. आम्ही प्लॅन ए साठी आम्ही काही मुदत दिली आहे. प्लॅन बी ची चर्चा ऑलरेडी आम्ही करून ठेवलेली आहे विथ लाईक माइंडेड पार्टीज, एस्पेशली द काँग्रेस पार्टी विच इज द लार्जर पार्टी इन गोवा. NCP has been very consistent in its approach towards alliances. As you are aware, for 15 years from 1999 to 2014, we had an alliance of NCP with the Congress, that is the erstwhile UPA. In Maharashtra, 10 years in Delhi, in the UPA government, and almost 10 years also in government in Goa, also with the Congress. Nationally also, NCP has always taken a very consistent line under the leadership of our President Sharad Pawar ji, and that is also visible in the formation of a MVA Mahavikas Aghadi government in Maharashtra, where Shri Sharad Pawar ji has, due to his stature and astuteness, been able to form a government in Maharashtra, where the Congress party is also one of the constituents of the Mahavikas Aghadi. There has been some informal talks with the Congress party, and they have told us that they are open to consider any alliance with us. We had heard this the last time also, but we waited till the very end and we did not have a good experience. This time, we have indicated to them very clearly that they must come forward